the metro. Papunta kami sa Ginza to explore that area. And inaantok pa kami kasi we had to go home and freshen up muna sa bahay after a couple of rounds of going around. And then lumabas kami, it's now around 7 o'clock. And then we're hoping to get there by 7:30-ish siguro. A little bit earlier. And then explore Ginza. And then I think we're going to Ueno. And then pagkadating sa Ueno, lakad-lakad lang. Pupunta kami sa Asakusa para makita yung Sensoji Temple sa gabi. Kasi maganda siya pag may ilaw siya. So yun yung current plan namin. And siguro depende kung sa kami abutan. Baka kumain kami sa... Well, definitely, baka mag-sashimi kami sa Amyoko Market, tapos mag-dinner kami sa Asakusa. Yun ang plan.
Ang dami-dami namin plano, as you probably heard. But unfortunately, the weather didn't cooperate, so we were still able to go to Ginza and walk around a little bit. And dahil umuulan, syempre, it's very hard to navigate the place. But we still got to where we needed to go. Pero syempre, yung pupuntahan naming ibang lugar like Ueno and Amyoko Market, syempre dahil umuulan, it was going to be very challenging. So what we did is we went to Asakusa because nakikita naman ninyo that there are covered shopping arcades or kung ano man ang tawag dyan. But anyway, so we decided to go there to walk around kasi gabi na din. And there are a lot of things na pwede mo pa rin naman makita. And there's also Don Quixote na 24 hours in Asakusa. So, we ate dyan sa Yakiniku Like in Asakusa. And then, naglakad-lakad lang kami kung ano pang bukas. Kasi syempre, umulan din. So, yung mga tao nag-uwian. Because not everyone is bringing their umbrellas also. Pero meron pa rin naman mangilan-ngilan na mga visitors. So, it was just good to have a little bit of a relaxing walk. Kasi from here, I think isang station na lang going down yung aming tinitirhan. So, it was going to be convenient. And so, dito, we were still able to pass by yung aming favorite na, alam mo yung bilihan nung, wait lang malapit na yata dito sa video na to. Yung bilihan nung parang fish or yung cake. Ayun. Yan. Yung kanto na yon. Yung bilihan nung parang cake na na shape na isda tapos may laman siyang custard or red bean sa loob. Sikat din to eh. So, we gave it a little bit of a try. I had my favorite. Ayan. It's really good. I think they si Joy and si Omar got the custard and the red bean also, but my favorite was the red bean. So, ayan. Medyo tumila na ng konti yung ulan, but, gabi na rin kasi. So, we thought of just having a quick bite to eat after our Yakiniku Like dinner. And then, okay naman siya. Sarap. Ayan. And then, this is where we decided, syempre, walang trash can. Nahawakan mo yan forever. So, we decided to just walk through the complex there and go to anong pangalan nito? Oh dear God, Don Quixote. Yan, kasi we thought na might as well, start na sila to buy a little bit of the stuff that they thought they needed. So, there's one close by, so we decided to walk going there. And para makasimula na sila. And I think they bought a little, if I'm not mistaken, marami din naman silang nabili. But, one thing that really stood out is that yung pila was ang haba daw. And I never really shopped masyado dyan sa Don Quixote kasi madaming ang tao and overwhelming yung yung ano para sa akin. I mean, the setup, that everything's like in your face. So, it's very hard to prioritize. So, yan. So, in here, ayun yung Don Quixote dun sa side na yon. Ako, honestly, I had to sit down because my feet were killing me and review ng konting video. But that's how we ended that night. And then, I think the next day, I just wore my slippers or my sandals walking because, it's Japan. So, mainit pa. So, it's kind of hard for me. So, ayan. So, they would head straight to, nasaan na siya? Hindi ko makita. Ayan pala, ang laki. Yung Don Quixote. Ako, meron mga benches dyan. And kita nyo, hindi na siya masyadong umuulan, but it's just too late to go anywhere anymore kasi alam nyo naman, the trains terminate at around midnight. So, dito na muna sila. Ako, ipapahinga ko muna yung paa ko. That's it! Oh. Umupo ka na. Bilis!